Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, Taurus, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking one card each from another deck. So first we will pick those cards as we proceed, Taurus. Let's start with your daily reading first. It's the Magician in reverse, 2 of Cups and 6 of Cups. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe you are proceeding towards some kind of business partnerships or some collaborations today, and you are happy for those positive changes in your life today, Taurus. And maybe for some of you, this may be a new person coming in with a deeper commitment towards you, or you may be going towards them with that deeper commitment, or with that person you are in connection with, you are working towards that more meaningful connection, guys. And you are sharing your happy memories with them, your past memories. It may be your childhood memories, something that gives you happiness. You are sharing those beautiful memories with this person or with friends or your family, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus, in your situation. And maybe for some of you, you may be suffering from some minor illness, guys, some sickness, but it is nothing to worry about. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. So you may have some questions about your career situation. You can think about it, and I will pick one card from this deck. So whatever your question is, you can think about it, and this card may answer that question, Taurus. So let us see what is the card. Come to the edge. So with this card, it just means that this is the time that we can have faith in us and go for that, have trust and faith in us, and have that courage to take that leap of faith, guys. So this card is just about that. So this is the time we can take that risk that is not calculated, and we can give up that fear, because we are aligning ourselves with that a very positive energy here. So nothing will go wrong, but we should be ready to take that risk today, have that courage to take that risk. So now is the right time to take that leap of faith. So some big risk in your career situation, you can go for that choice now and discover that treasure lying behind it. So all your wildest dreams may come true, and allow your courage to lead you, not fear. And you don't need to know that exact form what you are going for. So maybe the results when you don't expect the results, what you will be getting back will be much more than what you expected, guys. So you have to take that next step forward, Taurus, in your career situation, and the results will be amazing. That is what I see with this card, guys, for your career situation. For your relationship, let us see what is the card. We'll be picking one card from this deck for your relationship. So this is the card, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, guys, and I will turn the card now. Orphaned. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship, guys, you are in a time today, some kind of identity crisis you have, uncertain about your place in this connection, or uncertain how things will go in this connection. So this card may mean that we are all meant to have connections with people, guys, with our family, society, and a larger society, a nation. So being part of something or separate from something is essential to our own being, guys. So the problem here now is that we need to find where we truly fit in. So we have to be true to our inner beliefs and values. So if you no longer can identify yourself with that group, you have to find a new situation where you will be you will have that sense of belonging and you will not feel lost and confused, guys. So not everyone will understand you, so it is a time to have that acceptance today. So when you shift and evolve, committed to your own growth in your relationship, you long for support from other people, guidance from them, or support in any way possible. But when you are disappointed and hurt by others, you feel that you do not deserve this situation and you feel sad. You are just drifting away from this relationship. But this may be because yourself and that person, both of you are in different stages of growth. That is the reason that you don't find that understanding with that person, guys. So if that is the way it is, if you don't have that sense of belonging, intimacy in this connection, you have to take heart and you have to be true to yourself. So you don't have to compromise yourself to belong to this connection. It won't be worth it, guys. So if it is not working for you, you have to take a break and think whether you need this connection, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. That is a reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.